I thank you all for joining this session and welcome you all. My name is Pavan Kumar and I'll be taking you through the SolidWorks visualization presentation today. So I'll be explaining its capabilities. So, why photo quality visualization is important? So the revolutionization of design process. So I'll show you the difference between the real and rendered images. So you can see here on the left hand side we have a 3D CAD model which is designed in our 3D CAD software, and whereas when it is an output and which comes to a model or which comes to a market, you find an image which is on the right hand side, similar product. So similarly I have an interior designed image here. So you can see here on the right hand side is a plain 3D model image, whereas on the left hand side it is rendered. Similarly here you have a juicer which is an actual product in the real market, whereas on the right hand side is its prototype or an 3D model image, I would say. So I'll tell you what is the importance of photo quality visualization. So the importance is like you can design in truly photographic environment so that you can see how it looks in the real world conditions. So you will not have any surprises during the prototypes or in the reliability. So you'll make a great first impression when presenting your designs. So suppose say you have a new product developed and you are entering the market, so you are showcasing a product to the customers. Using a photorealistic images will make a big difference then. And you will shift in consumer demands for more interactive content to aid purchasing decisions, such as I said, when you are entering the market, you show the product to the customer. If the content is more interactive, it will be very easy for the customer to understand and take the decisions on purchasing the particular product. So it's not just you can render your say 3D CAD data or a prototype. It's much more than that. You can tell a deeper story, you can create an animation, you can create a 360-degree view, so you can create a panoramic view. So the key benefits of photo quality visualization is you can design in a virtual studio, so you can deliver better products faster to the market. That is before the production or the prototype itself, you can create a content or a image, rendered image, and put it on your website, saying that this is my product coming up soon in the market. So you can create photogenic images. So in that way you can educate your designs easily. You can reduce the cost and number of prototypes to take the photograph of the prototype and put it on your website or maybe a marketing collateral. So you can create marketing content in parallel with the design process. So as I said, initially during the design process itself you can create the marketing content. So to all this we have a solution called SolidWorks Visualize, which is a new tool introduced recently by Dassault System. It was formerly known as BunkSpeed, wherein later on Dassault System bought it over and named it as SolidWorks Visualize. So it is a standalone product. It is not necessary that you need to have a SolidWorks installed in that particular machine to work on Visualize. You can install Visualize in any of the machines. So it has a separate serial number. So now I'll talk about the packaging. So the SolidWorks Visualize is bundled into two modules. One is Visualize Standard and the other one is Visualize Professional. So I'll be telling you what are the differences between Visualize Standard and Visualize Professional also. So now coming to Visualize Standard, what is this? So this is the basic version of the Visualize, which comes along with your SolidWorks Professional and the premium version. and you need to have the SolidWorks in AMC, that is under subscription. So what is SolidWorks Visualize Standard? So SolidWorks Visualize Standard is the fastest and easiest way to create images of your 3D CAD data. So who is it for? It is for anyone who needs to take photo of their 3D data and put it on their Marker website. And why do they need it? And create really high quality images. I'll be showcasing some of the images created using SolidWorks Visualize as well. So next, moving on to SolidWorks Visualize Professional. What is Visualize Professional? Visualize Professional is the next version of the bundling. So wherein you can create animations of your product, you can create emotional content like adding the camera filters. Who is it for? It is for professionals who need to tell a deeper story about your product. And why do you need it? As again, to generate still and animations. You can create the content and publish it to web as well. So I'd like to show you an animation created using SolidWorks Visualize Professional. So this animation was created by a company called Daniel Simon. They do this concept designs for movies. So they have used SolidWorks Visualize to render one of their advertising content. So like I would talk about what is the typical process happening. So the workflow here, you start with the concept sketch, then you go to the 3D modeling, then you do the physical prototyping and manufacturing, then you take the product's photography, then the marketing and sales happen. So this is a serial process which happens. It takes about 12 to 18 months for your product to come to the market. So where we have a proposed workflow here, wherein using SolidWorks you can do the sketching and 3D modeling together. Then you can implement SolidWorks Visualize, wherein you can create rendered images of your product. Then you can do the process parallelly here, that is physical prototyping and manufacturing at one side, whereas marketing and sales at the other side, and then take your product to the market. So we see here an average time reduction is about 40%, wherein your return on investment is very fast, and you can use the profits to improve other areas in your organization. So next I would talk about the global customers using SolidWorks Visualize. You can see here Visualize is not bounded for any particular industry. It can be used in any sort of industry vertical. So you can see here you have transport and mobility, aerospace and defense, architecture, interior and marine design, consumer goods and retail, lifestyle and packaging, and higher education. So you can create perfect photo quality images in minutes using SolidWorks Visualize. It has a very intuitive interface which is very easy to use. It is an industry leading best time quality software. It is also a standalone product. That means you need not have SolidWorks installed in a particular machine where Visualize is needed. It is an standalone software. So you can using Visualize you can present your designs brilliantly for your customers or prospects. So it is all, you'll have an experience to always work in a photographic environment. It has integrated presentation modes for seamless design and reviews. It is powerful It also has powerful real-time features such as turnables to show your 360-degree view, and bake lightings and shadows to control the lightings and shadow effects on your product. So it is very easy to explore. You also have design variations here. So I will talk about the library here. You have a pre-inbuilt library with materials and environments for fast preparation of your scenes. It is like you can just drag and drop it to the window and you can use it. So it also have configuration systems similar to what you have in SolidWorks, but whereas here in SolidWorks Visualize, the configuration here controls the different colors for your particular model. So you can have multiple colors for one design itself using configurations. You also have multiple viewports so that you can view multiple variants side by side and compare it. So Visualize is like the camera for your CAD data. Next, I have some images rendered using SolidWorks Visualize. I'll be showing that. So this looks really, it's an image captured using a camera, but wherein it is rendered using SolidWorks Visualize. All this blurry effect and motion effect can be created here. Next, for interior design, the sunlight effects can be controlled. Then the lighting and shadow, for example, here can be controlled. You can see here. So materials, you can see the material textures added here. For example, wooden for the headphones or steel for the component here. Then you can add camera filters, as I said, to show your creativeness or how it works, the blurriness. Even jewelry design can be done and rendered using SolidWorks Visualize. Again, an interior design image of a modular kitchen. So now I will talk about the capabilities of SolidWorks Visualize. In SolidWorks Visualize Standard, you can create photo quality still images, whereas when you come to Visualize Professional, you have additional capabilities like interior panoramas, exterior VRs. You have a one-click 360-degree spin so that you can show your 360 of your model. You can create animations by controlling the camera. Next, coming to the last slide, I would like to summarize up. I would say it is very fast. You can create rendered images quickly. It is an industry-leading software with high performance. It is very easy to use, and even the marketing team can use it. You need not have any particular knowledge on the software, and you'll have a very good experience using the software, and it's very fun to use. So that is all I have it for today, and thank you.